What's up guys? I'm back again with another video for the Python 3 series. I'm going to teach you about comments now, so let me clear this off. Oh wait, I don't know how. Let's do quit, and then we can say clear, and then we can open it back up, Python, and so we can start coding now. So to make a comment, let me show you. Remember we could do this and just output it, right? We can have any code here or whatever, and then if we do a hashtag, and then whatever's behind the hashtag is not outputted basically. So let me show you what I mean. Hey boy. So we might think that this will output 345 and then hey boy or hashtag hey boy, but actually it's just going to output 345 because everything that's behind this hashtag is ignored basically. That's what a comment is for. So yeah. If in other languages you can have multi-line comments where it's you have one thing here, like for example one hashtag here and one hashtag down here, and then everything in between it will be commented out. But you don't have that in Python 3, so rip. So that's how you do comments. It's actually really simple. So yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this episode. Leave a like if you liked it, and peace.